Hello friend, this is the fifth video of the Java series, and in this video we cover what is variable. And if you are new to the channel and want to learn Java, then start now by hitting the subscribe button and press that bell icon so you don't miss anything. So coming to the video, the first question arises that what is a variable? Variable is nothing but it is a box or container in which we can store our data. Let's say there is an application, and in application there is that application store your name and your father's name and your address and other detail. So in application these all those data stored in the memory, but in our program we need to store all the data in variable, because variable provide memory in which our data store. So let's see, there is an mobile. We can store our, not store, but we can cover our mobile on that mobile cover or mobile case. We can easily do that. And we can also store our mobile in laptop cover. We know that laptop is a big container for our mobile, but we can store the mobile in the laptop bag. But there is a laptop, we know that we can store that laptop in the laptop cover, but can we store the laptop on the mobile cover? No, we cannot, because if we want to store the laptop on the mobile cover, then we have to cut the laptop some part so that we can adjust a laptop on the mobile case. So that's why we have different variable for different data type. If we want to store proper number, then we should use integer rather than float, because we use float when there is a decimal point number. It's clear? I think it's clear to you. So the next question arises that how to declare variable. So declaration of variable in Java is pretty similar to C and C++. First we have to define the data type, after this define the variable name, and after this assign the value. It's simply like in this example here I use integer. You can use float and give any variable name and store relative value in it, and don't try to store the point value on the integer. Just like here I store 5.5 on the integer a, but it's wrong way. If you store the value in this way, then its result, in the result it will lose its value. If you store 5.5 in integer, then it's lose 0.5. So correct way to use it in float, or if you want to use integer, then use proper number. So coming to the second part of the video, here I will tell you how to use Java variables in code. For this, save the file as your desired location and give it to a name and .java, and make sure that the first name of the file should be capital. And here see, our file is saved. Yes. And now create a class and give it to a name by which you saved your file. Here I saved my file as add, so I'm using here add, and the main method, and I will explain the main method in the previous video, so go and check out that video. And here use system out dot println, yes, and semicolon after the statement. And here we can perform addition by just like this, 4 plus 5. Save the file and navigate to the location where you save your Java file. I saved it to Java 2, so I'm locating to that. And Java C mean Java compiler, and file name add.java. Hit the enter. If there is no error, then it will compile successfully. Yes. Now click create Java and the class name, and yes, see here 4 plus 5 9. But what if let's copy the statement and paste here, and now here use multiplication. Save the file again and come to the command line and compile a Java file, and now run the Java file. See, correct output, 5 plus 4 is 9 and 5 4s are 20. But there is a problem, because if we want to change any number, then we have to change in twice the program. So this we use variable. So like create a variable named a and give it to value 5 and separate by its space and b equal 4. Yes. If you want to create two variable in single line, then separate them by comma, and you can also not also, this is fine. And now use here a plus b and a multiply by b. Yes, save the file and see, after the compiling the file there is a dot class file is generated. Yes, dot class file generated. Now come to the cmd and again compile your file java c space add.java, and there is no error. Yes, now click create java and add and hit the enter. See, 9, 5 plus 4 9 and 5 4 20. But now if we want to make changes, then we just make changes at one place rather than two places. Save the file and compile it again and run. See, right output 9 plus 4 equal 13 and 9 4 36. And if you like the video, then hit the like button and subscribe to the channel and share it with your friends. So the video is completed, and here I'm giving you two exercises. The first one is create two float variable and perform addition in them. So create two float variable like that we cover, create here, and perform addition in them like this. And coming to the second exercise, create two float variable like this. Here we create int, you create float, and perform subtraction and division in them. This is your challenge. It is better to you if you perform all of them.